the time you first attended Ispor to today, did you see any differences from the topics that came up or what people presented, just the conference overall?
There's a couple of things. When I look at the macro trends, when I first started going, the use of health economics for making reimbursement decisions was still new, right? So it was a conference talking about the methodologies, talking about the decision-making frameworks, even the tools that could potentially be used for making these decisions. So it was really focused on this new approach to making decisions for especially pharmacotherapies. Diagnostics have come into the mix since then, but it was focused on that. And I kind of had the same feeling with real world evidence, because a lot of the talks, touched on how do you use real world evidence, for example, for supporting regulatory decisions. We know that both the EMEA in Europe as well as the FDA in the US have adopted recommendations to start utilizing it as part of the marketing authorization frameworks, right? So now the question that comes up is, well, how do you determine quality? How do you ensure that the analyses are run in a way that there's transparency, that it's the privacy of patients is taken into account, that it's high quality enough that it can be utilized for making these kinds of legal and regulatory decisions, not to mention for reimbursement, right? So all of this is what I saw sort of in all of the presentations and the podium discussions from a standpoint of how do we build the rules and the frameworks for this.